Hello guys, all over the world, wherever you are in America, you are in Africa, you are in Asia, wherever you are in Europe, good afternoon, good morning, depending on your time zone. My name is Tony Osondu, and today I'm going to introduce you into the world of financial market. What did I say? Financial market. Now, financial market is a broad view, very, very wide, but I'm going to take it very simple. Financial market is a market where people buy financial securities, financial instruments and assets. Now, financial market bring money from one place to the other. It creates opportunity for job, for employment. It creates avenue for businesses. People pay in money, people withdraw money, people transfer money from A to Z. They create business opportunities. That will be my simple definition of financial market. Now, before I go into it, I'd like to inform you that financial trading is a very high-risk business. So let's look at a bit of disclaimer here, please, guys. What I'm talking today is simply lecture purposes, education purposes. It does not constitute a trade call. So it's a high-risk business, so you might need a mentor and you need a bit of trading education. That's what I need to let you know. Thank you. Now, moving ahead, guys, what is financial market? Now, like I said before, financial market creates business opportunities. It creates avenue for employment. And there's so many types of financial markets. The first on the list will be Forex, where everybody knows. And sometimes it surprises me where people want to start trading. Everyone is talking about Forex. Financial market is not just all about Forex. Forex is one bit of it. After Forex, you're talking about indices. After indices, you're talking about cryptocurrency. Before cryptocurrency, you're talking about commodities, gold, and all that. And then you're talking about bond signatures. You are talking about options. Then, of course, talking about stock and shares. So financial market is a huge avenue for wealth creation, huge avenue for business opportunities. Now, do I advise you to go trading? Yes, no. But if you must trade, you need a mentor. You need to talk to somebody. Now today, what I'm going to do generally is to give you overview of financial market. And there are lots of frequently asked questions that people need to know. So overview, and let's look at So like I said, financial market is where people buy and sell financial securities and instruments. Now, examples of financial market, like I said earlier on, includes indices, includes stocks and shares, commodities, CFDs, bond signatures. That's all you need to know. From time to time, I'll be bringing you a video to educate you more on each of these instruments. But the general highlight will be in the world of Forex, in the world of financial market. People will be asking lots of questions. Yes, we will be looking at the general overview of financial market. what is financial market? Okay. What is Forex? How does Forex work? How do I start trading Forex? Who is a broker? What is a broker? And why do people lose money in Forex? We'll be talking about trading psychology. Forex, is it a scam? And we'll be talking about the life of a billionaire trader. Is it possible to generate income trading Forex? How much do I need to start trading Forex? We'll be talking about market turning points. Talking about market turning points. We'll be talking about risk management, trade control, what is passive income, position sizing, and the mastermind community. Now, there is something I really want to talk about today, and that's the most important thing I want to talk about today. Most people start trading financial markets just because of Forex. Like I said from the beginning, Forex is a tiny part of financial market. My take will be, look at the overview, look at indices, have a study about different instruments on indices, have a general view of stocks and shares, have a list and build a portfolio for yourself before you're able to know, why will I trade option? Why will I trade indices? Why do I have to trade commodity? Why must I trade Forex instead of all others? So the job is not why most people lose in trading, not because first of all, because there's no trading education, there's no background, there's no nothing. So when you have that basic trading education, you will be able to decide if your major will be Forex, or if your major will be indices or stocks. I'm not going to tell you what I trade, but as I continue posting our video, today is the first video, this is just an introduction. As time goes on, we'll begin to look at different options, we'll begin to look at them, and we could also give you some advice. So this is what this video is all about. Looking at the general broad base of financial markets, different types of financial market. You need to understand this before we progress. So now my next video will be what is Forex, and then we'll go into in depth on financial market. Thank you. If you like this video, give us a thumb up, and I will catch you up on the other side.